bigwig. Bigwig. Bigwig is an idiom. It means someone who holds an important or a powerful position. In simple words, an important person, or we call him as VIP. So let us see it in the examples. They have invited some of the big wigs for the party. Some of the important persons, very high positioned persons for the party. That's the reason the big wigs. The second one, a few of the local bigwigs are expected to be present at the meeting. So there's a meeting in the evening. Some of the bigwigs means big important persons. Some of the bigwigs would attend the meeting in the evening. The third one, the companies are now bigwigs in the market. They have capital assets of $150 million. So now international companies or multinational companies are bigwigs. They are very important because their share in the market is huge, big. The fourth one, the media always covers showing the parties bigwigs attend. So whenever the important celebrities attend, the media always covers those parties. That's the reason parties bigwigs attend. Bigwigs means important celebrities. Fifth one, she was only there for 4 days but managed to do some serious networking with industry bigwigs. She joined 4 days ago, but she managed to meet all the important persons of this industry and she took some kind of business with them. So bigwig is an idiom. When we see the origin of this idiom, several centuries ago, wearing wigs was a fashion in Europe. All men, whether they were bald or not, wore wigs. The richer you were, the more wigs you had. Francis Louis XIV started the practice of wearing really long wigs, and soon all of Europe's royalty began to copy him. In England, the length of the wig that a man wore was dependent on his importance or his perceived importance. The more important you were, the longer your wig was. Soon, a lot of people began to wear full-length wigs. As a result, a law was passed declaring that only nobility, judges and bishops could wear full-length wigs. So this is the story behind a big wig, and big wig means someone who holds an important or a powerful position. And simple words we say a VIP.